In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your font in Notion. Changing the font in Notion is a simple yet effective way to elevate the aesthetic of your page. Whether you're looking to imbue your workspace with a sense of professionalism, creativity, or personal flair, updating fonts can play a big part in that transformation. So, let's dive into how you can do this with minimal fuss. First things first, you'll want to start on the page where you'd like to change the font. This can be an existing page that you've been working on, or a new one you're just setting up. It's important to note that changing the font affects your text's appearance, which can set the tone and feel of your entire workspace, so choosing the right option is key. After navigating to your desired page, shift your attention to the top right corner. There, you'll notice a three-dot icon. A familiar sight in many applications served as a gateway to various settings and options. Go ahead and click on this icon. By doing so, you'll open a menu with several options that allow you to customize the page further. Once you've accessed the menu, direct your focus to the font section at the top. This is where the magic happens. Notion offers a few font choices, each designed to complement different styles and preferences. You'll find options that range from simple and clean to more decorative and standout fonts. Take a moment to preview each of the choices if available, and consider which one best fits the vibe you're aiming to create for your page. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've managed to alter the look and feel of your Notion page dramatically. It's amazing how such a small tweak can rejuvenate your workspace and make it feel uniquely yours. Remember, the font choice can influence readability and engagement. So feel free to experiment until you find the perfect fit that enhances both the aesthetics and functionality of your page. By following these steps, you can customize pages effortlessly without needing to dive deep into technical settings or complex coding. Whether you're organizing your tasks, planning a project, or drafting a journal entry, personalizing the font can make your workspace a little more pleasant to interact with every day. Thanks for watching this guide on how to change your font in Notion. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we encourage you to try out different fonts to see which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips to help you navigate the tools that matter to you. Happy customizing!